But it feels even better to go through a project, an experience, a moment with others.
This was definitely a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I'm very proud of myself, very proud of my crew.
Thanks for everything, Charleston.
Hearing about it and living it are two different things.
It wasn't necessarily life-changing, but more life-affirming.
This whole, I think, experience was above and beyond what I ever expected.
This work, it changes you physically, but first you have to change internally. There's a lot of internal growth that goes into it. And yeah, I definitely feel like I grew as a person. I feel more resilient and more adaptable than ever.
This set in stone, I am a good communicator. I am good at conflict resolution. I can push myself. And because of it, I have a new sense of self-confidence, which is pretty awesome.
For me, I've never moved out of LA. This was definitely a big jump for me, especially going just straight into the wilderness. No hiking experience, nothing, just kind of went for it.
I was out of shape when I started, and Klamath just killed me.
And one of the biggest hikes that we did in Kings was over 40 miles for a camp move.
And I remember thinking, because I was one of the slowest on the crew too, am I really made to do this?
I made it through, and I'm glad I did.
It'll push you. It's not necessarily easy, and the weekends are really fun and beautiful, but that is also work in itself. So this is not a vacation.
Setting up key.
It's overwhelming. Coming back from being 9 miles deep in the backcountry, and then coming back to Yosemite.
And it's awesome and empowering to see more diverse people come into this type of field.
I'm very grateful for this program and how it has me feeling at the end of it.
Everyone walks away here with something.
A lot of the backcountry experience is learning how to build a community. That was huge.
You get from the program only what you want to, so I really wanted to grow, and this definitely gave me the opportunity to do all those things.
This is a moment in life that you will never ever forget, that will stay with you forever.